about private insurance. Also, IESS is an option for insurance, and I will explain you why you can consider IESS. You need to consider that as an insurance broker, we can't represent somebody under IESS, but it's important that you know how it works, and probably it's an option to consider too. We can work only with private insurance. Well, here we have a valuable team at your service. We have 6 bilingual persons at your service. And well, let's take a look about IESS. IESS has some advantage. You do not have a limit on the coverage. If you need $3,000 trade event or $100,000 trade event, it will be covered, okay? No limits on coverage. No copays and no deductibles under the IESS, okay? It's a good option, in my opinion, to planify surgeries or expensive treatments. I don't want to mention the word cancer, but cancer treatments, open heart surgeries, back issues. If you need to do those type of treatments, it's a good option, IESS. Now, what happens is that sometimes you need to wait too much to go to see a specialist. Probably it will take 3 months, 4 months, you know, because you need to go to see the general practitioner, get some tests, and later go to the specialist, more tests. Easily can take 3 or 4 months, okay? You can't choose your doctors under the IESS. Basically, the doctor that is at the office will assist you, but they have your clinic history, okay? Unfortunately, not all the medications are available under the IESS. Then, right now we have the advantage and disadvantage from IESS. Let's take a look to private insurance. You have access to doctor appointments quickly. If you need a doctor appointment and you contact to your broker early morning, probably afternoon you will go to see your doctor, or 24 hours later. You can choose your doctors, okay? Basically, you can go directly to see a specialist without visiting a general practitioner to give you an idea. Dr. Tenorio is under the network right now. You can choose Dr. Tenorio also in the network, okay? Access to private clinics. You can go in the network. It's my recommendation, of course. We can talk about that, but it's better use the network when you have private insurance. Why? Because when you go out of the network, sometimes it happens that a clinic or doctor overprice you, and the insurance company will reimburse you reasonable price of treatments. They have a reference for each type of treatment. To give you an idea, if you broke your arm and the doctor charged you $6,000, the insurance company will reimburse you around $1,500. You know, reasonable cost of treatments. Now, disadvantage. Private insurance have limits on coverage, especially talking about pre-existing conditions. You have, under the Ecuadorian law, coverage up to 20 Ecuadorian basic salaries, what is $9,500 for pre-existing conditions. Also, waiting period for pre-existing condition. Normally it's 2 years, you know. Then go back to the IESS, only 3 months waiting period. No limits on pre-existing or other type of treatments. But advantage and disadvantage. And also, sometimes you will need to afford extra expenses, also with private insurance, you know. Now, what we need to consider to determine what's my best choice. How long I will stay in Ecuador. It's important to consider to determine if private or public insurance will be my best choice. Do you have pre-existing conditions? We have limits on pre-existing condition coverage under the private insurance. Then, if you have important pre-existing conditions, probably a good option can be get IESS and combine with a supplementary plan with a private insurance. Then, if you need a doctor appointment, quickly, my private insurance. If I need some test, blood work, my private insurance. But if I need an open heart surgery, I can go ahead with IESS. IESS will be my major medical plan, and my day-by-day treatments under it costing you a supplementary plan, and you will be surprised. Okay? Can I afford copays, or I prefer full coverage? IESS full coverage, private insurance deductible copays. Okay? Do I prefer faster service, or I can wait for treatments. It's important to consider, okay? Now, many clients prefer combined ISS. Again, I can't sell ISS, this is just information for you, okay? I do not have income from ISS, but you need to know how it works. Sometimes it's good to consider ISS because I do not have limited coverage, I have pre-existing condition, may I need expensive treatments then. ISS, but what's the main problems with ISS? Doctor appointments, medicine test. Get a supplementary plan that covers that part of your medical needs. In my experience, a $5,000 plan, you may think that it's a small amount, but appendicitis emergency, 2,000, kidney stone emergency, 2,000, broken arm, 2,000. You know, a lot of medical needs can be covered privately. And if you need more, remember, you can coordinate. Coordinación de beneficios, benefit coordination, and then you can continue your treatment in ISS. In the morning, I am talking about my father experience. My father had $20,000 private and ISS. He needed an open heart surgery. We started everything under private insurance. When we go to the limit, we continue the open heart surgery in ISS. He looks great today, probably better than me. It's an example, okay? Now, let's take a look. It is very important that you get advice about how much is a reasonable cost for health insurance. If you go directly to the insurance company or a sales person, probably they will try to sell you the most expensive plan. $60,000 coverage can cost you for 65 years old $215. But if you want to keep under private insurance and you don't have important pre-existing conditions, probably you can combine two plans privately. A major medical one with a smaller one. Why? Because the major medical have $5,000 deductible, and if I got a supplementary plan that will cover me $5,000, basically my deductible will be covered, will be my cap, the smaller one. How much for a 65 years old person can cost a $5,000 plan? $60 per month. Probably a doctor appointment, you know. Then you can prevent, you can get a private insurance and a smaller plan plus ISS, or smaller plan plus a major medical one, okay? To give you an idea about ISS probably you will pay around $78 under voluntary report, okay? Plus 5,000 plan, $60 then. ISS plus private, $135, and you are completely covered. If you want private, keep private under private clinics, $164. A good plan for a 65 years old person. Then we are here to advise you. We are located on the Edificio Monte Carlo, Avenida Ordóñez y Los Cerros. We have bilingual people at your service. We can take a look about your current plans. We help you to deal with the paperwork, and then you can get the best choice for you. Thank you so much. We will be over there later. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Carlos.